Meaning of deferment.
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 Deferment. Deferment refers to the act of postponing or delaying something. It is often used in the context of loans, where an agreement is made to delay payment of a loan until a later time. During deferment, interest may accrue on the loan, but the borrower is not required to make payments. Deferment can provide temporary relief for borrowers who are experiencing financial hardship. However, it is important to note that deferment does not cancel the debt, and the borrower will ultimately need to repay the loan.